everybody, and welcome to my recorder lesson number 4. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. I hope you've been practicing hard and you're getting better and better, improving each time you play. Can you remember all those tunes we've learnt so far? We've done so much in such a very short time, so well done to all of you. Today we're going to go back over some of the things we've learnt, but also learn a new note, learn some new music theory, how to read our music, and a brand new tune, a familiar tune that you'll know well. So let's get playing. Let's see where we're up to. Well, so far we've learnt 4 new notes. So we learnt G, A, B and C. Let's have a play of those 4 notes. You ready? Your turn. Well done, that sounds fantastic. Let's see if we can do that going backwards, starting off at C. Your turn. Well done. Now if we go up, this is what it looks like on our treble clef, on our stave here. Can you remember, this is a staff or stave, the 5 lines and 4 spaces, and this is the treble clef. So these are the notes, G, A, B, C, that we've learnt so far, and I use a wooden spoon, G, A, B, C, and now we're learning the note D. D, which is higher than C, and comes after C in the alphabet, and this time it's a little bit tricky and you must prop your recorder up with your other hand because it will fall down otherwise, because all you're doing is using this Toby tool. You see Toby tool? That's all you're using, and you're taking your thumb off the back. You might want to just place it next to the hole, but don't cover the hole. So it sounds like this. Your turn. Well done. So it's not the top hole, it's not the mid, it's just the middle hole. It's like C with the thumb on the back, but you take the thumb off. You can either put it to the side or out like that, and it's your turn. Let's see if you can put C and D together, because it's quite tricky going from thumb on, thumb off, thumb on, thumb off. See how quick you can do it. You do it? Well done. If you need to practice, just stop the recording now, have a little practice and then come back into the lesson. Well done. So that's a new note here, D, and it's on next to the top line. Okay, so it's one of the highest notes that we will learn. So when we're looking at this musical stave and this staff, I've got one under here. You probably all know about beats and pulse. You've been learning music since you started in reception. So they're the regular beats, the regular pulse, that keeps the same throughout the music. Join in with my regular beats, my regular pulse. You might want to bend your knees to it, walk around the room to it, but it's that regular beat. So it would be a bit boring if all we ever did was play music just to that regular beat like this. We need some longer notes and shorter notes. So we're going to teach you today about the length of notes, the duration of notes, and how they look on that stave or staff. So we'll look at the note G, which is this one here, the second line up, G. And we're going to play G like this, all 3 fingers down there and thumb on the back. And we're going to play it for 4 beats. That means I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've got to make your breath last 4 beats. Do you think you can do that? You have to take a big breath in, inhale, get those lungs full of air, but still don't squeak, don't gasp it out, still going. You ready? After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats worth. So this is what it looks like on a staff stave. So this is the G that we just played. And if we want it to be 4 beats, we don't colour it in and we don't put a stick on. We just leave it like that. And it's called a semi-breve. What's it called? A semi-breve. Well done. A semi-breve. A semi-breve, okay? Now, if we want to play a 2-beat note, so half of it, 2 beats or 2 pulses, that's it. Okay, we'll play several. I'll have my turn, then your turn. Your turn. You see it's a little bit quicker, it's worth 2 beats, 2 pulses. This time it would still be the same note, but it would have a stick on it. Still a G, this time it's got a stick on it. And this time it's called a minim. What's it called? Minim. 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 Okay? So, sorry about that. My battery's going. The first one is a 4-beat note, a semi-breve, and that's a minim worth 2 beats. And then the 1-beat note would sound like this. Your turn. And it's a 1-beat note worth 1 pulse, and it's called a crotchet. What's it called? Crotchet. Crotchet, crotchet. And this time you colour it in and put a stick on it. So we colour it in, not a great circle, and put a stick on it like that. So that's a crotchet. So I've got a semi-breve worth 4 beats, a minim worth 2, and a crotchet worth 1. So if we played those together, it would be okay. And those are different lengths of notes. So well done for your musical theory lesson. So now the exciting bit is when we learn a new tune with our new note. So it's quite a long tune. I'll play it, see if you recognise it, and then we'll take it step by step and learn it and finally play with the piano. Are you ready to listen? Do you know what it is? It's called Oh When the Saints Go Marching On, okay? But we'll do it a little bit slower and then you can get quicker and quicker over the week, okay? So we'll start off with the first line and do my turn, then your turn, and it's using that new note D with the thumb off and just that middle finger, okay? So G, B, C, D. Ready? G, B, C, D. We do that 2 times and then we play. So the 3rd time goes on. So B, G, B, A. Let's play that. B, G, B, A. Now it's a little bit different. B, B, A, G, B, B, A, G. There we go. G, B, D, D, C. So that's that tricky one. G, B, D, D, C. And then we go to the beginning. Okay, really tricky. So I'm going to show you what the music is for that one. I'll stop the video there and I'll show you the music, and then we can play it together, then play with the piano. So here is the music. I've just written it out and I've put the letters above it, and we're going to go really, really slowly, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. The top line. Did you manage that? If not, stop it and practice it again. Okay, this is the second line. Practice the second line now. Okay, are you ready to put it all together? Do you want to do it together with me? Ready? After 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. A clap. Fantastic. Okay, if you think you've got the hang of that song, then we'll try it with the piano, but keep practicing until you can do it and then have a go. Here goes. I'll play it really slowly, okay? After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That went well. Keep practicing. Bye. See you next week.